Hi guys, it's Karen. I was just gonna come on with a blog, and so right now you will be getting this recipe at the end of the movie. So stay tuned. It's really easy, and I just want to share what I've been enjoying in the morning, and it is this yogurt, and well, I always have yogurt in the morning, the Fayet, and then I mixed in a little bit of pumpkin into it, the pumpkin pie filling a little bit, and then I put a little bit of stevia and along with cinnamon and my collagen powder, and I just love it. So you know, this time of the year I just like pumpkin anything, whether it be coffee or pie or anything. So I just thought, well, I'll try it, and I really love it. And then Saturday, October 26th, we had a terrible thunderstorm come through, and it was on a Saturday afternoon, and Chloe and I were home, and I knew the wind was getting really fierce, and just I just knew something wasn't right, and then later I looked across the street, and the neighbor's a tree fell right over into their driveway on top of their cars, and I knew it wasn't, it was pretty not good. So anyway, this tree here was in the backyard, my backyard, and it did fall over into the fence. It destroyed the fence, but I'm just so thankful it didn't go toward the house. It could have been worse. And let's see, there was over 25 to 30,000 people without electricity for several days, and thankfully the electricity stayed on where I live. This tree now is out front, ready for the city to pick up, but they still haven't picked it up because they are just really overworked. They're still cleaning up, and so a lot of people got it a lot worse. So anyway, I'm gonna miss it. It was my favorite tree. In the spring, it had these beautiful white blooms. It was a let's see, what do they call them? A Bradford pear tree. So yeah, I am gonna definitely miss it, and I'll miss the shade too. The house on that side right now just seems like it's a lot more brighter, but I will definitely miss the tree. Well, then Halloween came, and it was freezing. Let's see, my daughter and we went out and had dinner, but it was just terribly freezing. We went to this little Chinese place, Yellowtail, and then after that we went and looked at Hobby Lobby, but then I went home, and I always make treat bags for the trick-or-treaters, and that night I just got 4 trick-or-treaters due to the real freezing weather. So unfortunately, and this is my daughter that I had lunch with. This was taken, I think it was over 9 years ago. That's my son-in-law and grandson, and I just always loved that picture. And this is shopping Saturday. I decided I'd do some Christmas shopping, and I don't know, I like to get a good start on it because it comes quick, and sizes get, you lose, sizing always gets picked over, and everything gets picked over, and so I thought I would just kind of see what kind of damage I could do that day. and then we got our first snowfall November 12th, I think it was. And it was beautiful, it really was, but I wish it would have waited till Christmas time. But it was real pretty. Okay guys, I'm going to share the easy crockpot lasagna recipe that I got from Vicki Marie Living Life. I'll link her channel below. You will just love her channel, so please go and check her out. She shares a lot of blogs and recipes and workouts and home decor. A lot, just interesting, and everything is always different. So I enjoy watching her, and I'm going to share a recipe that I got from her. And it's really easy, and all you need is a pound of ground beef, and I got it right here, and I browned 1 pound, and then I drained it, and I put in, it didn't ask for this, but I just put it in minced onions. I sprinkle a little bit of them on top, and then what you're going to do, you just need 1 can of pasta sauce, and this is Hunt's. It's a 24 ounce, and you can use, I got the traditional, but you can use any flavor you want, and you're just going to stir that into your hamburger. And then the only other thing you'll need is the ravioli, and this is cheese ravioli. It is frozen, and I got it at Walmart. So it's just a really easy recipe. And after the hamburger is stirred around, you're going to layer that in the crock pot. Just put the hamburger at the bottom, and then you're going to, let's see, gotta cut the bag open. And then you're just going to layer the frozen ravioli on top of the hamburger. And you're just going to be doing that, making layers until it's all finished. Alright guys, and then after you get that all layered, you know, it's going to look like this. And then you're going to put it in the crock pot for, depending on how big a batch you made, and you know, because what's nice about this, you can double it, you know, if you're making it for a lot of people. But I'll probably leave this in about 5 to 6 hours maybe. And I'm going to put it on low. And then when it's done, you're going to put grated cheese on top, and then it's done. So I'll show you the results. And I didn't use the whole bag of this ravioli, probably half about. So, all right. Okay, guys, this is the finished result, and I just would serve it with some lettuce or spinach and some garlic bread, and you have a nice easy dinner. So until next time, guys, have a wonderful week, and I enjoyed you coming over, and hope we can spend some more time together next time. Thank you.